So this is for everyone who wants to try out the guided analysis, and I'm just giving a very, very, very short intro about QInsights, so those things that you need to know if you just want to try out the guided analysis. Of course, you're free to try out everything else. But of course, you need to start by creating a project, just give it a quick title. And for guided analysis, project description is not so important at that stage. So next step, if you have created the project, I'm just opening this one that I already have, you need to add documents. So you click on add files. To try out guided analysis is not so important, but if you have interviewed transcripts, focus group or interview transcript to detect speakers, we require, as it is written here, the name of the speaker and a column, and there shouldn't be any other column somewhere in your document. But for just trying out guided analysis, it's not so important. But if you have a transcript that works like that already, you can click on detect speakers, but that's not necessarily important when you try it out. So when you have uploaded documents, then you can view a summary if you want, and you can see a preview of the document, and here you see the speaker ID kind of thing, how that needs to look like. It doesn't have to be capital letters, but you know, the name and followed by a colon afterwards. So I'm now selecting all 4 documents here now, and what I recommend before you go into guided analysis is to quickly do a theme analysis. So you go to theme analysis, you get a bit of a kind of a landscape of the content in your documents. So once the theme analysis is through, then you get kind of the map of content here, so you get a good idea of what's in your data. And then for the guided analysis, you either already have a topic in mind, but it's a good idea maybe that you just pick a topic here, and maybe we just pick the topic of trust for the next step of the analysis. So I'm not doing anything but here now. You can do more, but the point is here to quickly show you how guided analysis works. So now move on to guided analysis. And just wait 10 seconds, then something comes up. It tells me welcome to this guided analysis. Could you share your name and preferred language for this conversation? And it might slightly change exactly what it says. So I type my name is Susanna and I would like to talk in English with you today. And then says, he welcomes me, and then he asks me to tell something about the project. My project is about the meaning of friendship, and here you could type some more if some more information, a bit background, bit context information. So the more that you share, the better the AI can actually help you. And then if you've been working with AI together, so you kind of know the tone of voice, it sounds like a fascinating project, friendship is a rich and multidimensional topic, and so on. So the next thing you need to do is then type what kind of topic you want to explore in more depth. And that's why I asked you to first do a theme analysis to give you an idea for topics. I would like to explore the role of trust in friendship. So now I've kind of set the pace, and what's happening now, that the AI is helping you actually to explore that topic in more depth. Now you can pick a question or take this as a guide, or as that's not as a guide, but as like an idea giver, so to speak, to be inspired to what you can ask about that topic. You can click on it, then it's copied, and then you can run it. So here I stop, let you explore yourself. There is a longer video tutorial on YouTube about this if you want to have a little bit more background information. But other than that, the idea is also that you just try it out yourself, type whatever you think, the way you want to handle this tool. So because I know the workflow, so of course maybe I follow more the guidelines, how it should look like. So we want you to try it and just play with it and see how the flow goes for you, and then please give us feedback how it works for you. I'm looking forward to your feedback, and enjoy, have fun, and hopefully also some nice insights if you actually start doing this or playing around with this with your real data.